What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. Today I'm doing this video on the best lights to use for your shop environment. These are probably one of my favorite lights that I've ever used. They're called Hyperlites. This brand particularly is called Hyperlite. I'm going to show you exactly what they look like. I'll put some images of the boxes in there and the actual logo and everything else so you can see how it's packaged and what the light actually looks like. These lights are available on Amazon, Canada and the US. Again, amazingly priced, very affordable. The light output is amazing. 21,000 lumens for each one of these guys right here. You can get them at different levels. The ones that I got are white enclosure. You can get them in black enclosures as well. I thought white would go better with the shop. Very low heat output, and they're LEDs, so they're very cost effective in providing light for the environment here. I'm gonna actually show you the difference that these lights make in the shop. The lights that I had in here before, and then the lights that I put in. And honestly, these took me maybe 2 hours to wire up to the ceilings, just a couple of extension cords, and that's about it. They plug right in. Again, you're not probably gonna trip any breaker simply because they're very low energy outputs. What else can I say about them? I got a promo code for you guys. So promo code and the links to Amazon, Canada, and the US in the description below. So you'll save a few bucks if you pick these up. Takes you to their whole store. They have a whole bunch of stuff. I have their pamphlet here. This is not everything. Again, I'll show you what this looks like. Right now, as you can see, the shop's coming along. I have this M4 in here. It looks fantastic with the all white. It's getting a wrap in a nose tech. So if you guys want to see videos on what that wrap actually comes out like and see how to install it, check out my website, ckwraps.com. I'll put a link in the top corner and in the description below for you. Yes, the shop is coming along. I still have another coating on the floor to do, but let's get back to the lights. The lights are wired in just with a remote control and a wireless plug, or sorry, a plug that's wired to the remote. I can turn the lights off and on. This I just picked up separately from Amazon, 20, 30 bucks, something like that. I got two little things that I can plug into the wall, which I can put 4 cords in, which is really nice. So I have the lights wired up to this remote control. It has enough to put 5 different ones in the walls. So you can wire up 5 different ones. And again, you can just switch them off and on as you please. Let's do it. That's the difference. You see, the camera's going to adjust a little bit and brighten up the room slightly after the lights turn off because it's going to adjust. Can't help it. But that's the difference right there. So let's turn one on again. And I have one just over the car. This is more for aesthetics, for pictures, that sort of things. I thought it would be cool to have different lighting, some coming in from the top directly above the car. And then I have these ones over here that I can shut these ones off and then turn those ones on separately. I have one, as you can see, right up there. And these are hard to look at. You don't want to stare at these. They actually leave like a circle in your eyes. So don't look at them directly, but I had to because I was trying to point out which one I was talking about. I have one angled directly at the car here. This provides much better lighting for doing videos. Since I have a ton coming from the top, if you have too much coming from the top, it will overcast a shadow and won't give you the best lighting. What's nice about this also is that the floor is white epoxy, it's gloss, it's actually reflecting a lot of light back up, so it does help to minimize overcast with the light hitting objects and then casting a shadow. It's going to help a lot with the floor. As I go along, I'm going to put in more lighting across the wall here, simply to add in more from the sides. It will give me much better lighting, but as you can see right now, it's tremendously better as it is. Let's see what this actually looks like, their logo, just so you can see. I'll bring it in. That's the brand, Hyperlite. Again, I got you guys a discount. And again, very affordable lighting, easy to pick up on Amazon, Canada, and the US. Again, these are the black, these are what the high bay lights look like up close. These are the black ones in the picture. I got the white ones, so I believe those are the white ones right up here. Just that focus. And just tells you, how high you can hang them. Basically, the light output that you're gonna get, you can put them lower, you can put them higher, whatever you like to do. It has a hook on it as well, so it has a safety wire and a hook, so you can wire that up just in case they fall. Again, they're not even that heavy, they're very easy to wire up. Just some specs. Again, used mainly, obviously, in warehouses, but great for a wrap shop. And again, you can see that I don't have a lot of light coming in from the sides right now. Basically none. It's all coming from the top, and it just has amazing spread on the lights. It looks fantastic. So again, guys, Hyperlite, high bay LED lights. Again, I just looked at it. Very blinding, very bright. Used them in Toronto, used them here, probably use them wherever I go as long as the company exists for as long as they do. I will always use them. You know, they have excellent lighting, great quality products, no flickering, no fading, no dimming over a year in the last shop. Again, we were very happy with them. To light the whole shop with 6 lights, you're looking at around $600. That's really good, especially when you can see better. Being able to see better makes all the difference in the world. I'm telling you, if you have a smaller space, you don't need as many lights. If you have lower ceilings, you don't need as many lights. So I simply have a larger space in here than a home garage. But if you're doing this in a home garage or a smaller space, let's say you have 800 square feet, this is more like 1,500, then you would need less lights. Again, placement is important, so you want to spread them out really nicely. Make sure they're far enough apart. This way you can get better light output and better spread on the actual light itself. I did not put one above the garage door here, or there's a light above the garage door here. I probably need one more just to light up that area there if I really want to. Again, all I'm really doing over here is washing cars. It's not even in the video. I didn't want to show you yet because I have the Infinity Q50 chrome wrapped right here, which I'm going to do a separate video for, a little walk around, show you what I did. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, links in the description below with a promo code. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it very much. Take care.